So FedEx was just at the house, Jose. What is that?
This is one surprise for you.
A surprise for me? Well, you've never gotten me a surprise.
Well, it's first time.
Jose is the most generous human being in the world, but I am not a gift person, so I always say, don't buy me anything. Please don't buy me anything, and he never buys me anything, which is fine.
Yeah, for me it's fine.
It is good for him. But today I got something special in the mail. Can I open it now?
No.
When can I open it?
No. No.
When?
No. You have to wait.
Till when?
When this video is over.
At the end of the video?
Uh-huh.
All right. Give me the box. We'll put it over here. Okay, so we're going to open that at the end of the video. Hola Farmsteaders.
Hola.
We are Mac.
And Jose.
And we are the Yooper Farmstead.
Yep.
Jose, what are we talking about today?
We talk about the first 2 weeks of February.
Yep, we're going to talk about the first 2 weeks of February. We had an incredibly busy 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Despite the cold and the snow, we found a lot of things to do.
Yep.
So what started out the 2 weeks, Jose?
Turning down another building.
Yeah, we tore down another building. But before we could tear down the woodshed, Jose, what did you need to get done?
I need fix the light and the trailer.
Yeah, because our light had fallen off the trailer and Jose had tied it on with a piece of string. Very nice repair job. But we needed to get it fixed so we didn't get pulled over. And Jose did a great job.
Thank you.
And then we had the trailer available to haul wood. It was just a small wood shed. It didn't even take us a full day, but we got roofing material, we got more 2x4s, we got 2x6s. We just got a lot of great material from a small little building tear down, which was a lot of fun. And Jose and I just want to stay busy during this time because there's really not a whole lot we can be doing on the farm with the ground being frozen. So it was just a nice little project to take on. My dad stopped by and helped, which was nice. And he came out to the farm the next day to help you look for...
Cedars.
Yeah, they cut down a couple of cedars out of the back property to see how much work it was going to be to cut down some cedars. And it turned out to be a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the cedars are intertwined, and so it's just a lot of work to get them cut safely out of there. We're going to wait until spring to do that.
Well, you don't have to wait too much.
No, we don't have to wait very long. It is coming up so fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm happy. Cedars smell really good.
So then on the 3rd, we had 2 litters of baby bunnies born.
Yep.
Which was exciting. That's one of the things Jose and I really love doing is our rabbits. So we got 2 litters this month. So we tore down a building. We cut some cedars. We had 2 litters of rabbits born. And then what happened?
Ooh, the real winter.
The real winter. People have been saying it gets cold and snowy up here, but we had not yet experienced it. But I'm going to tell you what. That polar vortex hit. We got a foot of snow, which we had to plow and get prepared, and then it has been below 0 every night for the last week and a half, and the daytime temperatures have not gotten above 10 degrees. It has been cold.
Yeah. In
the middle of that freezing cold deep freeze, Jose, what did we wake up to?
Oh, I don't know, something is strange.
Yeah.
What happened?
Well, it's very early in the morning, and I was laying in bed and could hear water dripping. And it ain't raining outside, and we didn't burst a pipe. The problem we have is we have a thick layer of ice on the roof.
Yeah.
And it is freezing, but behind the freezing, where it's dripping off the roof, it's dripping into the bedroom. This is our problem.
Big problem.
Big problem. So we have this ice dam. I didn't even know that's what they were called, but it's an ice dam. It's this ridge of ice we have on the edge of our roof. It heats up in the house, and then when it hits this cold part of the outer roof, it freezes and creates a dam. So the water builds up behind it as it thaws on the roof and then runs down, hits this dam, and now is dripping into the house. And as you can see, it's dripping down the whole siding here, which is a major problem. We got some salt to try to get rid of the ice dam with salt, but it was thick. The ice dam had to be 6 to 8 inches thick.
Yeah.
It was bad. Jose, oh my God, thank you for that. At this moment, do you wish we were still living in Hawaii?
No.
No? Okay.
Absolutely.
Absolutely no? Jose ended up having to chip the ice off the edge of the roof, which I know probably damaged some of our shingles, but I think the ice was doing more damage, the water coming down into the house.
Yeah, and spring we see.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. And I know we're gonna have to do better insulation for next winter before this problem happens again.
Yeah, because the problem is we don't have good insulation.
Yeah.
So all the heater isn't going.
Yeah, everything's just leaving the house.
Yeah.
No wonder it's so cold in here. So Jose and I have done some more planning.
Yep.
We got the orchard plan done.
Mm-hmm.
That was really exciting. For me, the orchard is one of the most important things. And the more I start thinking about it, the more orchard I think I want to do. We were even discussing whether or not to do more animals or to do more orchard.
Yeah.
Because,
which one?
Yeah, I love having fruit and nuts and food available on the property.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. So anyway, that's one of the things we're discussing. But we definitely have a lot of orchard trees coming. You can check out the video for our orchard.
Here or here?
And now I'm confused. But those trees will be arriving in May, so you can, if you're a subscriber, we've said you're coming out here and working the farm that day. We're going to need help planting trees. We finished, the thing I'm really excited about is we finished our seed order and ordered our seeds. And what is in this box, Jose?
Let me see. Oh, it's heavy.
It is heavy.
Wow.
This was our last order of seeds, but this is when I started really learning about ordering seeds and figuring out how many seeds we need. This was the last order I placed, and it's got a lot of our lettuces. It has our peas, which I'm very excited about. It may even have some beans in here. But later this week, we're going to do a seed unboxing, so we'll share with you everything we ordered and what we'll be planting in the garden this year.
Yep.
I am so excited to be planting. I can't wait. I can't wait to open these boxes. Okay, so we found some time to get into the kitchen and make some dill bread, which Jose loves fresh bread.
I love it.
I admit I like it too.
The last thing and the most funny thing, it was an Eben ice cave.
We had a ton of fun at the Eben Ice Caves. They literally are less than a mile from our house, super close. We had all kinds of family come over. It was like a Valentine weekend treat to have 8 of our favorite people over.
Yep.
And to really enjoy getting out of the house, hanging out at the Eben Ice Caves. So thank you to all of our family who headed out in this freezing cold weather to enjoy a little of the UP's outdoor activities with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
That was the last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Jose,
What?
can I open my box now?
Okay.
Can I open it? Can I open
okay,
it?
Okay,
Can I open
okay,
it, please?
okay,
Now?
okay, okay.
All right, get your knife out. Oh God, that's the wrong box. This is the box. I've got a surprise.
Oh.
You and this little simple. Okay, I give up. Okay. No, no, just leave it. Okay, I love nuts.com. This is one of our be careful. This is one of our favorite places to order gifts from. No, they're not paying us.
No.
We just like them. The customer service is really good.
Woo!
You got me a bag of air?
No, hey, no.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's part del regalo. Can you
Oh,
see
it's
it?
part of the gift?
Yeah. Invisible.
What does it say? Invisible peanuts. I see. Invisible
Yeah.
peanuts. Okay. Thank you for that. Oh, wow. It's got a box inside of a box.
Wow. Surprise!
Surprise. Go ahead.
You need help?
Take a peek
Oh.
inside.
Wow.
Here we go.
You need more knife?
I don't think so.
No, okay.
Are you ready?
Yep. Da, 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 da.
Should we open it up for the camera? I don't even know what's in it yet. All right, this is my Valentine. Ooh,
What is that?
oh, a tin.
Uh-huh.
Does it involve chocolate, Jose?
I don't know.
Now I might need your knife.
Okay. One more time.
Oh, look it. All right. I'm so excited. Thank you. The cats will probably come in here to want to play with that. Oh, my favorite, raspberry and chocolate. Raspberry covered. Ooh. Oh, look, 3 stuck together.
Mmm, smell really good. Wow.
I feel like on the last couple of videos, we've just been eating stuff.
Mmm.
I can't wait till winter is over so we can go on a diet.
No. Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
It's amazing. You like?
Have you met me? I love raspberry covered pretzels. All right, we need to finish the video, but I'm gonna finish this first.
Okay.
They're just for me, right?
Yep. That's for you.
That is so sweet. You're such a liar. Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our last 2 weeks.
Yep.
We were busy. We had a lot of fun. We are learning that we can survive the snow and cold up here,
Yeah.
even though it was shorter than normal.
Yeah.
But we are loving it. We are actually loving getting out in the snow. I don't love taking care of the animals in the negative temperatures. This morning was so bad that my toes were freezing inside of my wool socks, inside of my boots. And the worst part is I never left the garage.
Yeah.
It was brutal this morning with the wind chill.
Hopefully this
Yeah, it's supposed to be up to 29 by the end of this week.
Good.
Where I can't wait. I cannot wait for it to be almost above freezing. So if you are a homesteader or a farmsteader, you love the UP, you think we're somewhat entertaining, we hope that you will subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. If you know people you think would like our channel, share.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, we would love some help growing our subscribers. Again, we are Mac,
And Jose.
and we are the Yooper Farmstead.
Thank you for watching. Okay. Give me more.
Okay, we're gonna eat some pretzels. Oh, I'm gonna try one of the chocolate ones
That's
now.
good. That's good.
Oh. I think, though, the chocolate ones should be for you and the raspberry ones for me.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
What if you eat them together like this?
Could be.
You think that would be good?
Just like Mackenzie Jose.
We're raspberry and chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.